Hey guys, we're testing out the new econoline parts washing system today. The machine is electric, of course, operated. It has a 110 volt system, runs a heating element. It goes up to 130 degrees, but we're gonna do this transmission gear, and you can see the gunk inside of this gear. We're gonna wash this thing down real quick. It's gonna be hard to see, but just bear with us. We'll show you the after result. After about 30 seconds, there you have it, a nice degreased gear. If you have more questions, give the sales team a call or an email. Thanks for watching.